Hi, I'm Jim Ritchie. I'm the Medical and Pharmaceutical Manager at Zwick-Roll in North America, and I'm here today at our Test Expo in Ulm, Germany. I'm going to take you through the medical area and talk about some of our drug delivery injectables test systems. So first, I'm going to start with this Zwicky system, configured with a load cell up top here and our torsional motor, which allows us to do both cap removal types of tests and a torsion action, but also the standard type of needle injection and injection time types of tests associated with that device. Over here, I've got our all-around test system with lots of different capabilities built in here, so we can do semi-automated testing of your auto-injectors with this system. Again, some of the highlighted features, you can see our video extends, which measures that needle length and injection times. We've got the Poka-Yoke system that ensures that you've got the right toolings for the right type of auto-injector that you're testing. And then even in the background here, we've got our daily check system, which ensures that your forces, your displacements, your masses, the volumes that you measure are correct every single day. And then lastly, there's one neat little feature here. We want to make sure these systems match up with the intended use or the instructional use defined by the device. And so here we've got the capability of actually pulling the cap off in the up direction or flipping it around and pulling the cap off in the down direction. And then walking over here, our last system that I wanted to show you from the auto-injector point of view is a system. Again, it's our Zwicky system used to test wearable injectors or on-body drug delivery systems, which is an example here. And again, the same type of setup, but what's different about, of course, these types of devices is that the injection times to deliver the drugs can be much, much longer, 45 minutes to literally an hour long. And much larger volumes. These types of devices can carry up to 50 milliliters, for example, of drug that would need to be delivered. And now we're moving over to a different injectable delivery type of test system. This is for an injector pen. And this is, again, configured with our all-around test system and a torsion motor. We can do dosage indicated testing, also safety cap removal, needle length, but there's also some unique features built in here to actually remove the air bubbles and prime the specimen before it gets tested. And it's all, of course, being fed with our RoboTest N, where you can test literally hundreds of specimens in a row, in a batch, to really optimize the usage in your laboratory. Now we're going to move a little bit further up here. The next level of automation, here we have an XY stage to do a serial type of automated test using these syringe cartridges. We have this system configured to test up to 64 types of specimens. And now we'll move to a different automated type of an approach. Again, a serial system using a carousel where we're testing 15 different syringes to do brake force and glide types of tests on these types of syringes. So it's a very slick type of system here. And last but not least, this is our ISO 11040 testing tree. It has fixtures for all the different annexes that can be used on one single test system to do all the different syringe tests associated with that particular ISO standard. Okay, keep in mind that all of our systems can provide traceable and tamper-proof results according to the FDA's 21 CFR Part 11. And that concludes our tour here from Ulm. Some people have been waiting in line a really long time, as you can see here, but we're sorry you can't be here in line with us. But again, feel free to get in touch with us with any information associated with your medical applications. Until then, thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you soon.